So we're currently in apartment 3C. We're at the entrance. There is an entry closet in here. Next to that is the marble bathroom, which we'll end at in a second. As you pan over, there's a washer dryer closet and 3 separate closets in the living area. You have this open kitchen, galley style, with the tenants put a dining table in between, but it is an open space here. It's actually quite smart the way they did it. Storage underneath, above, convection oven for a gas burner, commercial sink with garbage disposal built in, dishwasher at the end, and a refrigerator with freezer and ice maker built in. Here is the washer dryer, closet number 1, closet number 2, and then closet number 3. So really go with closet space. And then as you pan over on the other side, you can see the view from this side. It is a large apartment. It's over 700 square feet. And it has a loft style home. So you have this sliding glass door to separate the bedroom from the living room. And then the view, the tenants have their shades down right now, but this is facing east. But let's go ahead and look at the bedroom first. So the bedroom has 2 storage units at either end. This is a king size bed. And you can see you still got a generous amount of space to walk around. And then another glass sliding door there, which is really smart because they made it into a home office space. There's 1 desk on this side, 1 desk on that side. Here again is panning around the other way. Right now the shades are down, so it's a little bit dark in here, but it does get direct morning light. So here is that little nook. And you can see they have a little dining table here, a workstation over here. And this is the view. The view is facing east, and you will get morning light from here. Now let's pan back, and then let's go ahead and take a look at that bathroom. So the bathroom is a large bathroom for this building. Most of the 1-beds do not have a large bathroom like this one, which is also a nice feature of this apartment. So here's the bathroom. So they put a little storage unit on the side over here. You have a large counter. This is all marble throughout the entire space. And then there's 3 mirrors, and each mirror has storage behind it. So you can see it goes all the way to the ceiling. Get all this counter space on the sink and a large storage drawer at the bottom. And then you have a deep soaking tub, rain shower. Quite a beautiful bathroom. Let me turn the lights on. Actually, I don't think they're all on right now. There we go. Now all the lights are on. So there you can see the entire space again. And that's the shower and the vanity and mirror. All right. And there you have it. This is apartment 3C at 303 East 33rd Street.